Hi there again. In my last video I've showed you how I've unpacked a box of an eBay delivery in which there were 4 locomotives, and then I paid attention in particular to this red Arnold shunter, and I've noticed when I test run it that it was not running very smoothly. Yeah, so it's working a bit, but they're all a bit, seems to be a bit tired. Hello. Yeah, not an ideal situation. So clearly this locomotive needs a little bit of TLC in order to obtain a better driving performance. I decided to do this with first giving the wheels a bit of a wipe with IPA, isopropyl alcohol, and I use a foam Q-tip so I don't lose little fizzy fluff on the wheels or in the motor. And in order to give the wheels a bit of a spin, I will just power these here. Put a bit of power here. So this will dissolve. The IPA will remove the oil and soften it up, and then I proceed and use my graphite block. This is a pure graphite, which is not as abrasive as iron or brass brushes, and I just put this on the wheels and clean it like this. For me, the combination of IPA and the graphite block works very well, and I've managed to clean several wheels. And back here, get rid of the surplus graphite. And now, having removed all the grease and scum, I'll give the loco a test ride for comparison. I think that's quite successful. So yeah, I think it's quite a good way of showing how this loco can be just repaired with a little bit of IPA and a graphite block. I think I've demonstrated well in this video how IPA and a graphite block can clean old scummy wheels pretty efficiently without causing any harm to the wheels. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed.